Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life, and our topic tonight is about traditional games versus modern games. I want to read some comments that our smart listeners sent to our YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Say hi to Suhartini. Hi, Suhartini.
Suhartini.
Good
My
evening.
friend, yeah.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
is that your friend?
Yeah, my friend.
Okay, so
From
Artini said, all of your games is my favorite as well, guys. So you play the game too? And also, hi Cassandra, how are you? And yes, welcome to our program, Smart Up Your Life. Well, another smart listener, another participation also. We are waiting for. You can join us through our WhatsApp or through our live streaming on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Just tell us your story about the traditional games you love the most in your childhood. Well, there's a lot of traditional games, yeah, that my friends had told us before. But guys, nowadays the traditional games, yes, some of them we still find it in our daily life that still play by the childrens, but uh, some of them too are how to say we can play it uh, we can play it from digital platform in digital way. Let's say chongklak, you can play chongklak in how to say in your gadget. So what else? The traditional games that how to say transform from the traditional way to play to the technological way. So that you know.
I think mostly all of them, right? Even like football that
Oh
we can
yeah.
use to play in a field, right? So
Uh-huh.
we have also the online game, right? From football, any kind of sport, I guess.
Okay. That's the sport
Yeah, sport
game.
transform to online.
Another game maybe beside that.
I was found out that there's one of the traditional game that I was surprised that found in smartphone is that I was mentioned before.
Mm-hmm.
Dende, what like when the girls just
Oh.
play it, like throw the stone
Mm-hmm.
and just like jumping on the
Yes, yes.
how to say they draw the line on the
Oh.
ground. And
That
it's just
exists
like
in digital platform, yeah.
I was seeing it in digital platform. I have seen my little sister that I mentioned before.
Uh-huh.
She play the game. Like,
Oh.
do you feel the vibes when you play on your smartphone? Don't you
Uh-huh.
want to just go out and play with your friend?
Uh-huh.
And she like, I guess we have a different era, so Gen Z now.
Yes.
Children.
Yeah,
That's it's interesting. The vibes, yes. Maybe all of the traditional games can transform to
Yeah.
the
Smartphone.
yeah.
smartphone. We can play it on our hand, but you know, the feel is not the same, right?
Yeah, of
So,
course.
what feel or how the vibe that you are missing a lot playing that traditional games? Just tell your story.
Yeah, for me,
Uh-huh.
the the most thing that I really miss is when I play hide and seek. You
Mhm.
know, when my friend be the, I don't know how to say it, like uh, who looking for us.
Uh-huh.
I'm hiding on my home.
Uh-huh.
So
So
so yeah,
Oh.
he
yeah,
cannot
Yeah.
find you.
yeah. So my
For
friend,
cheating, yeah.
my friend, yeah, it's kind of cheating actually.
Uh-huh.
So my friend looking for me until night
Oh my god.
and never find me. Yeah, so,
Even
and-
though the
no,
game
no.
is finished, the game is end.
Yeah, he was crying
Oh my god.
Yeah, you're bad.
because of that.
Okay, maybe she or he.
He.
Okay, he told you lost. But
No, maybe he was tired.
okay, but guys, talking about the hide and seek games, did you or do you ever get lost because of this game? Lost in somewhere, I don't know, because of you are really serious to hide.
Too seriously play.
Too serious to hide, and yes, in the end of the game you lost.
I have a really funny stories actually. It's
Uh-huh.
just like mythology from yeah, mythology from our Indonesian people mindset. Also, when you are play hide and seek, after before Maghrib or on Maghrib,
Ah,
the ghost
yes.
will kidnap you. Maybe that's one of the funny story, because one of my friend was kidnapped by the ghost, and
Uh-huh.
we cannot find him until when the neighbors and also what we call RT or ketua setempat
Uh-huh.
are uh, uh, yeah, like Indonesia we say kentongan,
Uh-huh.
and it was like hit the kentongan until we find the boy, and also there's why little ceremony to find the boy, and like sesajen, little sesajen. It was a long time ago until we
Okay.
find that guy and that boy. I mean,
And it happened.
it did happen, I
Uh-huh.
guess, many times, and especially in the village or
Oh, yes.
the areas that still really believe that that
Yeah.
ceremony and
Yes.
sesajen is
Yes,
still
yes. I've
really
I-
access.
I've ever heard about the mythos too.
Yes, right.
So as a child, we have to how to say, we have to be careful, yeah, when playing hide and seek near night.
Yeah.
Because the ghost will kidnap. Yes. So another story from Davo, maybe. The feeling playing your favorite traditional games, or another fun experience, maybe.
Another experience
Mhm.
when I junior high school. I play with my friends called police and robber.
Mm-hmm.
That's what Ham said before. So when I play police and robber, my friends try to catch me, and suddenly the car was how to say that pass
Mm-hmm.
pass in front of my friends. So I'm feel surprised because the car is suddenly come through the behind me.
Uh-huh.
My friends almost have got a big accident
Oh my gosh.
when I in junior school. I forgot it.
Okay, but
Bad.
you are
bad.
okay.
I'm okay, but my
Okay.
friends
Oh, yeah. Okay.
shock. Yeah,
Like,
shock.
okay, shock. Okay. If I were your parents, I will shock too. I will get how to say, I don't know. Just forget it. So another story maybe from Wahid.
Okay, my story when I was child in the fasting month after Tarawih, we play the hide and seek.
Yes.
So we play it until the almost the sahur time.
Oh my god.
It's too incredible.
Oh my gosh.
We play hide and seek in satu complex like that.
Okay.
We around and we we look for them, and I cannot mention it, but there is my friends that they cannot see the way to go to the his home
Oh my
because it's too it's too far it's too far outside of my complex. So,
This is the definition of loss, yeah?
I
Okay.
think it's for me.
Okay. Well, we say hi to M. Nahwi Al-Bukhari first. Amazing. He said amazing. Hi, Nahwi. We are waiting for you in this studio, actually. Well, continue. Next. From Alden, maybe? What story?
It's too much story, so I confused to choose the one. So
Okay.
yeah, of course. But now I'm older now, so I pretty much like I forgot a little bit of story. But I have one story that very interesting because all of my activity in the past when I was back to my school, my friends directly invited me to play, right? So that's why I playing football. Yeah, I'm playing football, and sometimes we get chaos because of we to determine goal or not, right? So we like how to say chaos at the time because there is no tiang, right? So that's why it's hard to determine is it goal or not.
Oh, yeah.
So we just like my team say that it's goal and their teams also say no, right? So
Sometimes
that's why
just put
Yeah.
to stone, yeah.
yeah, just don't, right? But it's hard to determine is it goal or not. But we are like chaos. But after the game, we are let's say keeping touch each other.
Uh-huh.
So that's why we maybe become enemy in the, in
the
competition
game,
or
yes.
like that. But after that, we are keeping touch each other. So
Okay, that's childhood, yeah.
Yeah, that's
There's no
childhood.
pressure. There's no, how to say, you don't need to think about the life.
Yeah.
Just play and learn, sleep and eat. Yeah. That's all, yeah. That's all. And now also, the traditional games that we found when we were child is a kite, but now it's how to say, it's transformed to be very creative, and sometimes the people make the festival to play this game kite, kite. Yes, that's so. Can you tell the story about playing that, especially the boys? Yeah, because I ever play that game too. I ever have a kite too, but yes, I cry because I don't know how to play it, and
Yeah.
and it's how to say putus. Yeah. So.
Yeah, for me about kite. Yeah, actually I never have like big one. I just have the small one. And when I want to make it fly, right?
Mm-hmm.
I need one person, my friend,
Yeah.
to help me.
Yes,
first.
yes.
Yeah, and the funny thing is when we have a friend also have a kite and we fight the kite, right? Which one will break, and after break we run for take it, and it will be ours if we take it.
Yes, that's the interesting one. Yeah, when the broken kite, when we run into the broken kite, and yes, how to say, saling, how. Yes, we compete. We compete to get the broken kite. Yes. So, yes, from your face, you are the one who also compete with your friends. So, yes, tell your story, Wahid.
I think
So I remember when I play what is the layang?
Yes.
Kite? Okay, the kite. When I play the kite for the first time, so I cannot play it. So my father taught me to play it, and then and this time, so I can play the kite well, and then this is the first time when I beat each other. The we snare.
Oh.
Yeah, beat. Oh yeah. We beat, and then I lost. So yeah. So the kite is fall to the jungle, to the forest, jungle is to the forest. So we catch and we each other to catch my kite. So then I cannot catch my cat there, and then my opposite can cut my kite. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, things.
They catch your kite.
Yes.
And then they take your kite.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what about you, Dava?
So when I think 10 years old, playing kite with my brothers. So I play kite with my brothers behind my father's store. So when I want to bring up the kite, and I hold the kite, I hold, and then suddenly the wind is very strong, and I am almost bring to the sky.
Oh, you fly with the kite.
Almost.
Almost. Okay.
Yeah, a little, when I was kid, 10
Okay.
years 10 years old.
Okay, so I thought I imagine that you are very small, Dafa, that fly with the kite.
Yeah.
The wine brings you to the sky.
To the sky, yeah.
Oh my
My God.
God. Well, there's a lot of fun story and memory if we are talking about the traditional games, especially our childhood memories. We bring back
Yeah.
the memories tonight.